Hey guys, this is Abhishek from GadgetShoes.com, and today we are going to do a quick comparison of all the Nokia smartphones available. First of all, let me tell you that this is a generation of phones launched on Nokia at different price point at different time, and the latest addition into this segment is the Nokia Lumia 925, which we have over here. So we will come on to this later on. Let's start our comparison with the Nokia Lumia 520. So first of all these phones run the latest version of Windows, that is Windows Phone 8, and this is how the Nokia Lumia 520 looks like. It has a back cover which is matte finish. This one is the red variant which we have with us. If we take a look over the build quality, this phone is fairly good in terms of the build quality. You have a 5 megapixel camera on this phone, and then the placement of the buttons for the camera shutter key, the power sleep key and the volume rocker is fairly the same. And now we have the Nokia Lumia 620, which is again similar in terms of the overall placement of the buttons. Again runs Windows Phone 8, and if we talk about the camera, this one has flash, whereas you do not see any flash on the Nokia Lumia 520. And if we actually talk about the other features, there is NFC on Nokia Lumia 620, but we do not see NFC on Nokia Lumia 520, which is the most budget Windows smartphone launched on Nokia till now. And then we have Nokia Lumia 720 with us. This is the Nokia Lumia 720. Again, all of these phones are fairly similar in terms of the overall design language which we see, but there is a major difference when it comes to the overall specifications as we go through. This is the most budget device, so you can expect the most basic specifications in 520, and then the specification will keep on increasing and the camera will get better, the overall screen size will get increased. 520 where we have a 6.7 megapixel camera with LED flash, as you can see, and then after we have 820 where we have an 8 megapixel camera with LED flash, which is again pretty good, whereas on 720 we see a 6.7 megapixel camera. And then we have 920 with us, and this is how 920 looks like from the back side. This one also has got an 8.7 megapixel camera, whereas the camera which we see on Nokia Lumia 925, which is the latest addition to the Lumia series phones, this one also has got an 8.7 megapixel camera. But again, the camera on this device is actually enhanced because this one has 6 lenses inside, which will give you much sharper images and better quality of images as compared to the previous generation of phones which we see, including Nokia Lumia 920. And again, optical image stabilization is there on Nokia Lumia 920 as well. Also, it is available on Nokia Lumia 925, as you can see over here. And if we actually take a look over the design language, the design language has been improving from the basic segment to the high-end phone which we have over here, and Nokia Lumia 925 is the latest edition. If we actually talk about the overall design on Nokia Lumia 925, we see the metal for the first time in the Nokia Lumia phones, but again it is not a full metal phone. You have metal which is aluminum on the edges of the phone, whereas on the back side you have the polycarbonate plastic back cover which is non-removable, whereas this one is a unibody design. Again, battery is not removable on Nokia Lumia 920 or on 925, whereas it is removable on 820, it is non-removable on 720, and again removable on 520 and 620 as well. So if we actually talk about the design, these phones are a little bit different in terms of the design as they progress further. In terms of the camera quality is pretty good on Nokia Lumia 920, 925 as well as compared to the other devices which we have in this series. So, and in terms of the overall design, if we see, for the first time we see the micro USB port is actually at the top as compared to the other phones in this particular series, which were the previous phones. I do not see the micro USB port at the top, whereas on this one it has the micro USB port at the top. You have the SIM tray over here at the top. You have the SIM tray over here at the top on 920, and then it is the back cover is removable on 820, so we do not see any SIM tray over here on this phone, whereas the SIM tray is on the top on 720. So talking about the overall comparison in terms of the build quality, 925 has the best build quality, and again it is fairly light in terms of the weight. It is only 139 gram as compared to the 185 gram weight of 920. And if we talk about the other devices, these devices are again fairly good. 720 is also fairly light, which is around 124 gram, but again you get a lesser camera sensor size as compared to the high-end 925 and 920, but this phone, which is the latest edition, seems to be the best in terms of the Lumia series, which you can opt for. So, and this is how these phones are different in terms of the build quality, in terms of the overall design. As you can see, if we actually talk about the software front, all of these phones run Windows Phone 8, the latest version of Windows Phone 8 operating system. So on the software front, they are fairly the same. There are basic differences in terms of the some application which you will see on Nokia Lumia 925 and 920. You may not see those applications on the other phones, but again, that is a minor differences when it comes to these devices. But the overall design language is fairly different and is going towards a premium level from 520 to 925, as you can see over here. And this is the current generation which we have. We might see new phones coming up in this generation. That's all from us right now regarding the quick comparison of all the Windows Phone 8 phones from Nokia right now which we have here. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to watch more videos like this, you can click the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.